No matter how much storage space you have or don't have in your kitchen, these ideas will help your cabinets live up to their potential and then some. Take a look at these 10 organizing ideas that make the most out of your cabinets. Number 1. Repurpose a file for sports bottles. To prevent clunky water bottles from falling out of the cabinet every time you open the door, store them on their sides using a magazine file like in this idea from Driven by Decor. Or, you can use a rack that offers multiple levels of storage. Number 2. Use a file for canned goods. This clever idea from B&J Stories is similar to the dispenser-like soup displays you often see at the grocery store. Simply stack canned goods on their side in a mesh magazine rack, or in an acrylic dispenser. Number 3. Use a towel bar for kitchen cleaners. In this idea at Home Road, a hanging bathroom towel bar becomes a holder for spray bottles when used on a cabinet bar. Number 4. Hang a handy corkboard. The back of a cabinet offers a convenient spot to create a small command center. To recreate this idea from 221, add a stick-on whiteboard and key cattle. In the kitchen, you could also use the corkboard to hang recipes, or add hooks to keep measuring cups organized and within reach. Number 5. Add pop-up shelves. This will optimize the unused space in cabinets, especially those that only hold low-profile things like dishes. These mesh versions come from UK site Store, but similar versions abound at the Container Store and the kitchen organization aisle of your favorite discount retailer. Number 6. Decant everything into labeled containers. Toss out any expired items, then transfer your most used staples into simple labeled jars or bottles. Alloy Everyday Occasions by Jenny Hobick. Without the visual cacophony of logos, you can easily find what you are looking for. Number 7. Stick a caddy inside a slim cabinet. This particular cabinet uses a wire divider to keep cutting boards and pans upright, but that overhead space can do more. Stick on a plastic caddy for things like meat thermometers. You can also go one step further for optimizing this space by adding a hook for ladles and spoons. Number 8. Add a pretty liner to your cabinets. It not only looks lovely, the contrasting paper or fabric, like in this idea from a Lo and Behold Life, makes lighter hued items stand out. Number 9. Corral smaller items in bins. This way, you can pull out the whole bin to get what you need, instead of having to rifle through the entire cabinet. Just make sure to add a label so you know which bin to grab. Number 10. Store spices on a Lazy Susan. As seen in this cabinet by Benita of Shea Larson, a turntable lets you access every little jar with ease. That's all for now. Don't forget to like, subscribe and give your comment if you like this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.